How much money should I make? The answer will be vastly different for each of us. Many people I talk to say that they need to make as much as possible because in our consumer-driven society, we are told that things like a new car, fancy clothes, a big house, kids, and expensive vacations will lead to happiness. So you need lots of money to acquire those things. However, the first question you should ask is, what makes me happy? Not how much money should I make? Because once you determine what makes you happy, then you have a target. And all you need is enough money to do that for the rest of your life. But of course, this is more tricky than it seems. Many people, when asked what makes them happy, will say, a new car, fancy clothes, a big house, kids, and expensive vacations, because they have been sold this narrative over and over. So they sacrifice their time, health, and sanity in the scramble to get those things, resulting in many of them being quite miserable. That's because making a bunch of money and then expecting that to lead to happiness is doing things backwards. Most people who really put in the work to finding out what makes them happy tend to realize that it's not about the acquisition of things. It's about spending time with friends and family. In fact, when people on their deathbeds are asked what they regret, most of them say, I wish I worked less and spent more time with loved ones. And guess what? Spending time with people you love can be really inexpensive. Now, for me, other than being with friends and family, making videos to document my ideas makes me blissfully happy. This process does not cost very much money, but it allows me to live a deeply fulfilling and meaningful life. So what really makes you happy?